So the Manton Center has a number of different components, many of which work together synergistically. One of the central aims of the Manton Center is to support research on rare diseases. And so we have 7 what we call our senior scientists who are focused on particular areas or particular methods of interest or related to rare diseases. So for example, we have researchers in the genetics division, we have researchers in cardiology, neurology, and hematology, all interested in different aspects of rare diseases. In addition, one of our researchers, Dr. George Daly, is focused on the study of stem cells, which represent a very powerful new tool to treat many different diseases, including diseases of the brain, diseases of the heart, and many other organ systems. In particular, we have researchers focused on studying things such as mental retardation, autism, cardiac disease, metabolic diseases such as galactosemia, as well as diseases like primary immune deficiencies and neuromuscular disorders such as congenital myopathies, which are characterized by extreme muscle weakness. In addition to the Senior Scientist Program, the Manton Center has what I consider to be a very exciting core component called the Gene Discovery Core. And the goal of the Gene Discovery Core is to collect DNA and clinical information from some of these rare and unusual patients that are seen here at Children's Hospital. By doing so, we hope to assemble enough numbers of patients with rare things to study them. And the Gene Discovery Core is using some very powerful new technology to look at the entire genome, all of the genes in these patients, to try to look for correlations between their disease and their specific genetic makeup. I think over the next 5 to 10 years, this is a very exciting area of research that's going to allow us to understand the basis for many new and interesting diseases. Finally, the Manton Center also supports fellowships for training new scientists and physicians in the study of various rare diseases. We have a visiting scientist program to bring in scientists from around the world to both interact with us and to benefit from what we have to offer. And finally, we have something we call the Innovation Fund, which is going to provide support to new scientists here at Children's Hospital, as well as established scientists, to begin new high-risk, high-yield projects that hopefully can get started with the Manton Center support and would then be eligible for larger federal funding and funding from other sources.